There are a few things that I do every single week to help me stay on top of my cleaning. And today I'm going to share with you how my cleaning routine looks like right now and give you some tips of what you can do to establish a cleaning routine that works for you and your schedule. Hi, my name is Marta and welcome to Imperfect Life Balance. My goal on this channel is for you to find a life balance that works for you. I am a working mom. I have 2 kids, they are 7 and 3. I have a side hustle that consists of this channel and a blog and just a lot of different after school activities that come throughout the school year. And I like to have a clean house. After having kids, I downgraded a little bit and now I like to have a clean-ish house. So that is the goal that I have for my household. And when I thought back, cleaning routine is something that I always had. And that is probably because even when I was a child, my mom used to have a cleaning routine, so every Saturday was a cleaning day, and that's kind of how this cleaning routine has developed for me. So because of our busy schedule, it is really helpful for us to have a dedicated time for cleaning. So what works for us is having some cleaning incorporated into our everyday evening routine, and then having main cleaning chores done on Friday night and during Saturday morning. So let's break it down. So each evening after dinner, I tackle the living area. So basically that includes cleaning up the kitchen, the dishes, the stovetop, and the countertops. My kids are cleaning the living area from all the toys and any art supplies. My daughter has been on a coloring kick lately, so we have crayons everywhere by the end of the day, so they clean up that part. And overall, just going through downstairs, so that is our kitchen, living room, and dining room, and kind of putting things away, putting things where they belong, and setting the house back to order for the next day. If needed, I will wipe down the dining room table and a coffee table. I definitely don't do it every night. It just depends what the kids are doing. If they spill something or if they were playing with Play-Doh, then the tables need wiping down. If not, I just leave it alone. And lastly, if needed, I will either vacuum or sweep the floors. That is definitely not something I do every night. I would say probably once, maybe twice during the week. And the other area in our house where I do spot cleaning during the week is our downstairs bathroom. So that is the bathroom that we use the most, and that is also the bathroom where our kids are taking their baths and showers. So as needed, I will just spot clean the bathroom throughout the week. And that is all that I do throughout the week. And then we come to Friday. Friday is my day to do 2 main things. One is to tackle the downstairs bathroom, do the deep cleaning of it, and 2 is to make sure that there is no clutter in the living room. So usually on Fridays, we do a bulk of our grocery shopping. We will do the Walmart pickup, we will do Costco, so there is a lot of stuff coming into the house. So I want to make sure that everything is put away and that there is really no clutter around for Saturday morning. Now the reason why I want to make sure that there is no clutter for Saturday morning, because over the past few months I have noticed that it takes me hours to clean up on Saturday when there really isn't that many spaces to clean. And when I really started paying attention, I realized that majority of my time that I spent cleaning is actually putting things away where they belong. So this is why I made it my mission to make sure that everything in our living area has a home. And this is why we bought that storage unit that I mentioned in my previous video for the living room. That's where we store any crayons, coloring books, and anything school related, to basically get rid of the clutter and to make it easier on us to put things away at the end of the night. So Friday nights is when I make sure that the groceries are put away, that the kitchen island is empty, and that when we wake up on Saturday morning, there is no clutter. All I have to do is actually clean. And that has made such a huge difference for me, because now on Saturday mornings, all I really have to do is dust, clean the window, wipe down the kitchen island and any countertops, and clean the floors. I mean, that's all I have to do. And it is amazing how quickly I can get it done when I don't constantly have to put things around or move things out of the way so I can actually clean the surfaces. If I really concentrate and just put my mind into it, I can probably finish that within an hour. Now, obviously, there are 2 things that are missing that you might be wondering about. One, there are things that I just don't clean on a weekly basis. So for example, things like baseboards or cleaning the couch, just things I don't do on a regular basis, just as needed. So some Saturdays I will just add 1 or 2 chores to my cleaning routine. I just don't stress too much about it because then it just becomes overwhelming. I'm all about simplicity with cleaning. And the second thing, you might be wondering, well, what about all the bedrooms? So yes, we have a second floor in our house where we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. And over there we're doing just a bit of remodeling, so there is no cleaning that is getting done on a regular basis per se. However, that is the area that my husband is responsible for. So he is the one who wipes down the surfaces, cleans the floors, and cleans the bathroom upstairs. Now, does he have the same routine as I do? No, but I have learned that that is his area and he does it his own way, and it works perfectly fine. And the same thing as downstairs. We make sure that there is no clutter in our bedrooms, so it's very easy and quick to clean as well. But that is all we do. It's very simple, it's not very time consuming, and I don't spend hours upon hours cleaning. So here are my 3 tips for you so you can establish your own cleaning routine that works for you and your schedule. Number 1 is to have an evening routine where you make sure that you put away everything where it belongs at the end of the day. Number 2 is to develop that storage system. Make sure everything has a home, because if it does not have a home, it's gonna create clutter for you, and that's just gonna make cleaning of your house much more time consuming. And number 3 is to decide when are you gonna do your weekly cleaning chores. Like I said, ours is Friday and Saturdays. For you, that might not work because your schedule is different. For example, you might decide that you will dedicate 15 minutes each day to do a cleaning chore. And if that is where you are leaning towards, I highly suggest checking out another YouTube channel. It's called How Jen Does It, and she does a lot of great cleaning routines. And I know her current cleaning routine is doing those daily chores. So if that is something you want, I'm gonna link it down in the description box. And that is all I have for you today. Let me know in the comments how your cleaning routine looks like. And as always, if you enjoy this content, make sure you give it a thumbs up and check that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.